Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity, Sue Bird. Sue Bird is an American Israeli former professional basketball player who has represented as a point guard and the Seattle Storm 2002 to present in the Women's National Basketball Association WNBA. Widely regarded as one of the best players ever to have played the league, she has won the WNBA championship 4 times 2004, 2010, 2018, 2020 and has been named in the WNBA All-Star Game 11 times 2002, 2003, 2005 to 2007, 2009, 2011, 2014, 2015, 2017, 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more updates. Biography. Real name Susan Prygett Bird. Nickname Sue. Profession basketball player. Years active 1998 to present. Ethnicity Caucasian. Zodiac sign Libra. Date of birth October 16, 1980. Age 43 years in 2023. Place of birth Syosset, New York, US. Residence Syosset, New York, US. Nationality American. Religion Jewish. Education School Christ the King Regional High School. College University of Connecticut. Educational qualifications graduate. Career. The Seattle Storm took the Bird first overall in the 2002 WNBA draft. Lauren Jackson, the previous year's first-round pick, would be her teammate. In her debut season with the Storm, Bird produced 14.4 points per game. She was a starter on the 2002 WNBA Western Conference All-Star squad. Bird, the runner-up for Rookie of the Year, was one of the 2 rookies named to the All-WNBA first team. Bird and Jackson played key roles in the Storm's first ever post-season berth. Bird set a career high with 33 points in a game against the Portland Fire during her debut season. Since her debut season, she has been chosen to the Western Conference All-Star team every year. Following the dispersal draft of 2004, the Storm acquired shooting guard Patty Lennox, who teamed have won an Olympic gold medal, an NCAA title, and a WNBA championship. Swin Cash, Seth Nia Cooper, Dick, Brittany Griner, and neighboring Husky Swin Cash complete the group of 7, which also includes Cara Walters, Diana Taurasi, Maya Morey, Brianna Stewart, as well as Asja Jones. She was named one of the WNBA's top 15 players of the previous 15 years by the league's fan in 2011. Family. Father Herschel Bird. Mother Nancy Bird. Siblings Jean Bird, older sister. Marital status unmarried. Boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouse. Nick Carter 2002. Megan Rapinoe 2016 to present. Physical statistics and more. Height 5 feet 9 inches or 175 centimeters. Weight 68 kg or 150 lbs. Hair color dark brown. Eye color dark brown. Distinctive features toned physique. Net worth. Her net worth is $5 million US. Interesting facts. The last name of Sue's father family was originally Border, which got changed to Bird once the family immigrated to the United States from Russia. At the 2002 WNBA draft, owing to her stellar performance in her college career, she had been picked first overall by the Seattle Storm. When she was starting her WNBA career, she had chosen to wear the number 10 on her shirt. The reason was that both she and her older sister were born in the 10th month of the year October. As of November 2020, she had held the WNBA records for most games started, the most games played. On June 16, 2022, she revealed that she would be retiring from basketball from the 2022 WNBA season. Favorite things: favorite actress, Sandra Bullock; favorite actor, Brad Pitt; favorite drink, Vitago; favorite film, Big Daddy; favorite destination, Miami; favorite color, pink; favorite food, Italian; house. Sue Bird lives in a luxurious house which is located in Syosset, New York, US. Social media profiles: Facebook 218,000 followers, Twitter 193.2 thousand followers, Instagram 734,000 followers.